In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to work with Epico Slider. Epico Slider is a simple addition to the Revolution Slider plugin we already included in our theme. If you want to create some slides easy and fast and then show them on your page, you can use our Epico Slider. To add an Epico Slider to your page, the first thing you need to do is to create some slides. To create some slides, click on Slides, Add New Slide. Very well. Add a title for your slide, for example, first slide. Then choose a background format. You can choose an image background or a video background. I'm going to choose an image background and I'm going to browse for my image. Then I can choose the caption style, whether it to be full width or container size, and a style for my caption. The location of my caption, for example, I'm going to choose this location. The title of my caption, as you see, this is the title, this is the subtitle. I'm going to add Epico Media Slider. You can choose various font types, Google Fonts, custom font. You can choose the size of the font in pixels, for example 60. And the color of your title, for example 7. And some subtitle, for example, this is our first slide of it. You can also again choose some font style and font size and the color of your font. I'm going to choose a turquoise color. And then in caption, icon or image, this is where the icon will be shown. You can choose an image or an icon. Click on select an icon, for example this one, and choose a color for your icon, for example this one. You can add a button to your slide. The URL can be, for example, null, and the text can be read more. You can link to any other page, you already know that. And the text color can be something like this one, and text hover color, the style of the button, for example fill or transparent, the background of your button. Then the most important thing is to remember to add a category or select a category of slides. This category lets you show a group of slides in your page. So I'm going to add new category, for example test, and select it for this slide. Our slide is ready. Now we have to publish our work. To continue your work, you need to add a few more slides. I'm going to create another slide, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to add these set of slides to your page. I created one more slide to be able to show you how the video slider would look like. The next thing we need to do is to create a page, for example this page, and add our slider to the top of this page. To do so, we scroll down, and in top slider settings we enable top slider. You can choose to add our slider, Epico Slider, to the top of this page, or add Revolution Slider to the top of this page. I'm going to add our slider to the top. You can enable or disable the parallax effect of the slider, the sliding mode, and here you have to choose the category of the slides you want to be shown on this page. As you already know, I added a category named test, and I'm going to select this test category. You can choose overlay color, overlay opacity, and some styles for your overlay. You can enable or disable start button, choose a style for the button, for example, and the design of it, and then you need to update your page. As you see, this is very easy for you to create the slides and add this set of slides to the top of your page. Very well. Here is your video slide. A cover image will be shown until the video is loaded completely. This is the slide we created together. As you see, the video is now added and it is going to be played. Now we are able to see our slider. As you see, this is the. Now we are able to see our slider. As you see, this is the slide we created together, and this is our video slide. You can choose a cover image. You can choose a cover image for your video, so that while it's loading, the image is